Powder-actuated tools are gun-like tools used to drive nails and fasteners into hard materials like steel, concrete, masonry, and occasionally someone's hand or skull. What up, workforce? I'm Desher with JJ Safety, and today we're talking powder-actuated tools. Only trained and authorized employees are permitted to operate powder-actuated tools. These tools can be as dangerous as a .22 caliber pistol. They fire an explosive charge similar to the one used in a firearm. If not used properly, it can present several hazards like a nail or fastener penetrating through a material and striking someone on the other side, flying particles being discharged from the work surface, ricochets from improper use or being used on too hard a material, and using the tool where flammable or explosive materials are present. A good way to increase the safety of your coworkers is to inform them when and where you will be using a powder-actuated tool. You can also rope off the area and post signs that say powder-actuated tool in use. I can't stress this one enough. If you're working with walls or upper floor levels, always check behind or below the fastening location. Workers have been accidentally killed by fasteners penetrating through the material. Just like any tool, we inspect the powder-actuated tool prior to use. It should also be tested to ensure that the safety devices and the tool itself are in proper working condition. If the tool is damaged or defective, report it to your supervisor. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance, inspection, and cleaning. Here's what you should be wearing if you're going to play with power. High-impact eye protection with side shields, hearing protection, hard hat, and safety gloves. Here are the proper safe handling procedures when using a powder-actuated gun. Only load it before immediately firing. Never point it at anyone. Make sure no one is behind or below the fastening location. Never carry it loaded from one job to another. Never leave it unattended, especially when it's loaded. Never place your hand over the muzzle. Don't rest it against your body when loading or adjusting. Do not throw or drop it, as it could cause an accidental discharge. Never use it in areas where flammable or combustible atmospheres may be present. Never fire close to a pre-drilled hole. This can cause the fastener to ricochet. Only shoot into a surface that will safely contain the fastener. And never shoot into a blind surface. Remember, a powder-actuated gun is just as dangerous as the gun your grandma keeps under her pillow. So no pretending you're John Wick. Keep your coworkers safe and let them know when and where you're using a powder-actuated tool. Wear your PPE and handle your tools safely. Hey, thanks for choosing JJ Safety. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online at jjsafetyllc.com or call us at 866-627-3850.